Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Time is very little these days. This is my last iftar with my family. Ramadan is going to leave us soon and we need to get ready for the festival. Okay friends, today I am going to show you chicken shawarma and fish cutlet. Okay friends, let's get started. First I am going to make fish cutlet. I took 6 medium sized onion and chopped the onion. Heat the oil first, add some chopped green chilies and curry leaves. Now adding finely chopped onion. Add some salt, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, cumin powder and pepper powder. Mix it together. Then adding 1 tablespoon chili powder. Again mix it. This is tuna fish. I'm going to use this for cutlet. You can use any kind of fish, but tuna is better. Mix it together until well cooked. Then I'm going to add 1 cup mashed potato and mix well. Finally add some breadcrumbs. It may absorb water and moisture from the keema, so we would be able to shape the cutlet properly. Mix everything well. The mixture should be sticky. Cutlet keema is done, so take out and let it cool. I'm going to use breadcrumbs to coat the cutlet. This is very important ingredient for making cutlet before deep frying them. Then I'm going to make wheat flour batter for the cutlet. Add 3 tablespoons wheat flour and water. Mix it. Take small portion of keema and then make a lemon size ball. Dip in wheat flour batter covering both sides, then place it on the breadcrumbs coated with breadcrumbs on both sides. Repeat the same procedure to avoid breaking. Heat the oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, drop 8 to 10 cutlets in the pan. Lastly, flip the cutlets to the other side and fry until golden brown. Cutlet is well fried, take out and drain it on a tissue. Next, I'm going to make shawarma sauce. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, some garlic, 1 cup mayonnaise, 1 cup curd, 1 tablespoon oregano, some salt, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon pepper powder. Then add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Then blend it together. Shawarma sauce is ready. Next I am going to make chili sauce. Add 1 big onion pieces, 2 pieces of garlic, add 2 tablespoon chili powder, some salt, 1 tablespoon vinegar and add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Then blend it together. Chili sauce also ready. Next I am going to marinate the chicken for shawarma. Take the chicken breast pieces, slice the chicken into thin pieces. Place them in a bowl. Add some salt, 1 tablespoon pepper powder. Add some curd, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder. Mix them together. Then add ginger garlic paste. Mix it together. Cover and rest for 1 hour. Next I am going to cut some veggies for shawarma: tomato, onion, cucumber, lettuce and capsicum. Next, roast the chicken first. Heat 2 tablespoons olive oil and then place the chicken in the pan. Let it roast for about 15 minutes until cooked. Slowly roast for few minutes. Flip to the other side and fry until golden. Chicken is done. Take the chicken out and let it cool. Slice the chicken into small shawarma-like pieces. I'm going to use tortilla for shawarma. Take 1 tablespoon chili sauce, spread the sauce on the tortilla. Again, spread the shawarma sauce. Then place the chicken pieces. Then place the capsicum slices. Cucumber, tomato pieces, onion, lettuce. Finally, I spread the tomato ketchup. Wrap it up and it's done. This is my simple grill pan and very easy to use. I am going to grill the shawarma only 1 minute. Shawarma is done, ready to serve. This is Sri Lankan special black tea. We call it ginger plain tea. I'll show you the recipe in my another video. The homemade shawarma is different than the restaurant style. It's perfectly spiced, tender, and so flavorful. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Until then, take care. Bye. Chicken shawarma and fish cutlet. Okay friends, let's get started.